Janna. I'm the dietitian here at the Stram Center, and this is usually our Food Friday, but today we're doing a Fiesta Friday, and we're going to be making homemade nachos, a healthier take on them because they can be perfectly healthy and delicious. We've got a lot of fresh ingredients, and let's show you how to make them. Okay, so the benefits of this delicious dish. This is gluten-free, very low lactose. Most people who can't do dairy can tolerate things like sheep's cheese and goat cheese. This utilizes a lot of produce from the spinach, which has great source of iron. The beans are also a great source of protein and iron and other phytonutrients, those plant proteins. We've got some olives that have healthy fats, and then our healthy fats in the guacamole. We take our tortillas and we just cut them like that. These are our gluten-free tortillas, and we're just gonna spread them out, and we're gonna bake our chips at 400 for just a couple of minutes. You wanna check on those. Because corn is in season, sweet corn, it's very delicious and fresh, and we want that as an ingredient for our nachos. So we're gonna heat up our cast iron skillet. Because our nachos are really veggie packed, we're gonna add some spinach on top of the base layer. Next, we're gonna put our beans. Once your corn cools off a little bit, and you'll just go through and cut it off the kernel. So the cheese we used is just a crumbled goat cheese. You can use any other cheese that you prefer. This is just a lower lactose variety. We threw together some guacamole. You just want some ripe avocado, and you can mix it with any onion of your liking and a little bit of fresh lime.